There's a framework going around for turning a raw idea into a sellable offer in exactly 7 days, using AI to do the busy work so you can focus on the calls only a human can make. If you're an affiliate marketer looking for your own product to promote or build, this is worth 15 minutes of your attention. The premise is simple. AI handles drafting, analysis, and production. You handle the strategic decisions in the right order. Compress months of unfocused research into one deliberate week. What do you actually need before day one? Focused hours every day for a week. Genuine expertise in one specific area. And the willingness to publish something imperfect by day 4. Day 1, AI analyzes your background and surfaces where your real expertise lies, your niche, the problem, the audience. Day 2, it turns that into productized options, an offer statement, and a price. This isn't just a framework for hobbyists. A LinkedIn report cited in the piece found that 76% of marketers say AI is what lets smaller brands compete with bigger ones, which is exactly the edge Day 3 of this plan tries to prove out. Day 3 is where AI mines reviews and forums for real pain points and hands you the top 3 with proof attached before you write a single line of code. Day 4, AI drafts the outline and the landing page. The goal isn't a finished product, it's a sellable first version you can put in front of real buyers. Day 5, AI writes outreach scripts so you have repeatable conversation starters instead of a blank cursor. Day 6, it suggests pricing structures so your revenue model isn't a guess. Day 7 is the one most plans skip entirely, identifying what actually makes this defensible, so you leave the week with a one-page plan for why someone can't just copy you. Where does this plan actually break? Skipping validation because building feels faster. Treating AI's first draft as the final answer. Chasing tools instead of offer clarity. And building the full version before anyone's actually committed to buying. Maurer Shlomo spent 7 years building a VC-backed company to over 100 people, then set out to see what building one without any of them looked like. In 4 months, using AI tools, he built Base 44, a platform that lets non-technical users create software just by describing what they want. Dana Snyder built a software platform for nonprofits using AI coding tools over 6 months without a technical background and now runs it as the only full-time employee. What does this look like in practice? A validated niche by day 1, a priced offer by day 2, proof buyers care by day 3, something sellable by day 4, and by day 7, a plan for why it holds up against competitors. If you promote other people's offers for a living, this same week gives you your own asset, a validated product, tested language, and a moat, built with the tools you already use every day. If you're interested in making money online with AI, make sure that you check out the link in my description.